Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Now you are someone I rely on. You make me feel real. Summer days that drift away as we lay in the field. Dandelions everywhere. Darling, make a wish. I close my eyes as I make mine, and we slowly kiss. Like ivy crawling up the wall, we need to feel the sun. 'Cause we've grown cold from contact lows, falling out of love. And maybe I've ignored the signs. I tend to romanticize. And maybe you tried too many times to tell me you're done just getting by. No, can we fall back to place? Can we find another way? And maybe honestly, in another winter brought me to the water where we used to play. Frozen solid, sinking softly, songs of yesterday. Wilted lilacs painting all these broken memories. Blurred reflections on the ice of you close to me. We fell in love in the winter, but I miss you more the fall. 3 years, 11 months together after one night.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Zenande, and if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. We are a small family, but we are growing every day. To my returning subbies, thank you so much for coming back, and thank you for supporting me. As always guys, please don't forget to comment on the comment section, like this video. Please guys, do like. After watching, like the video. Even if you don't finish the whole video, please just like the video so that I get recommended to more people. Today is Friday Friday the 3rd of June. I'm starting another vlog. I woke up quite late today. I think it's just after 1 right now, and I woke up and made some brunch for my daughter and I, and I've just received a package or a parcel. So I'm about to unbox it. I'm about to unbox this with you guys. You know I always do my unboxings here. I'm expecting, there's one parcel that I've been waiting for. I think this was delivered by Aramex. But anyway, let us see what's inside, because I don't know anymore after yesterday's surprise. Olwa cook. There's only one thing. I was thinking there's two, but why does the other one say it's delivered and it's not here? Which is good though, because this could break. So yeah, I don't know. I thought there's two things here, unless ouch. My chopping board is finally here, guys. I've been waiting. It's been saying out for delivery, I think since the 23rd of May. So it's finally arrived. I'm gonna place it there and then put the salt and pepper grinder, and I will probably also get an oil jar, or I don't know what it's called, and then I'm also gonna place it up because it's small. I don't think I need to get in. I don't think I need to get in. I'm not gonna place a lot of things. Like I was also thinking of a utensil holder, but I doubt how, because I don't want it to be too busy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. But yes, I thought my Bible is also here, but then again, why would it be here? Because this is not coming from the same place. So yeah guys, I'll show you once I've decorated that area using this. I'm so happy it's finally here, because I didn't have hope at all. After waiting for so long. Oh my gosh. But then it's here. So I'm so happy. I should probably check by the door if this thing is not there, because, and then I'll show you guys, because I thought I'm not gonna do an unboxing today because it's only a book. But then when I saw on the website that this is also delivered, I thought, why not? But then now I'm puzzled. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I do the unboxing of the other item, ne? Yay!
Take away. said, son, you'll remember this day for the rest of your life. I think he's right. Mom said, now you've got something new to write about tonight. I think she's right. I paid my dues and waited my turn, and the rest of my life starts today. Put in the work and now I can finally say that everything is gonna be okay. Damn, it feels good to say that everything is gonna be okay. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to the good life, but don't forget, don't ever get complacent. Remember what got you here and keep at it. Oh, the sky is the limit, 'cause you paid your dues and waited your turn, and the rest of your life starts.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're joining me for the first time. My name is Zeni, and today is Tuesday, right? Tuesday the 7th, I think, of June 2022. And yeah, this is the last day of my vlog. Then I'm going to edit it and then upload it. I've just finished washing the dishes and I'm about to clean my fridge. There's nothing much in the fridge, but yeah, I'm just going to clean it and then reorganize it. You guys saw in my previous video, I showed you the fridge organizers that I bought, so I'm gonna be using those to obviously Hello, Papa. How are you? Oh, what? What happened? Did you sleep well?
Baby juice.
Baby juice? Did you finish that one? Let me see. Fezzi's juice. Go and sit there on the chair, Nana. Okay, my daughter has just woken up. It's just got 1 o'clock. I think it's like 10 past 1. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys my fridge, like the before, and then obviously you'll see me cleaning it up, and then you'll see the after. As I said, guys, there's nothing much in the fridge. You still have to go out and stock up on the items. It's just that I've been lazy. I've been lazy to cook. I've been lazy to do anything. So that's why the fridge is empty. I've just been eating lots of fruits and stuff, but not much really. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so that's it. I've just finished organizing my fridge, and I'm just gonna tidy up in the kitchen and then make some brunch for my daughter and I. If you've been watching till this far, thank you so much. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. This is the end of my weekly home vlog, and I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe and God bless. Goodbye.